Just a quick drive through Wheatland, Pennsylvania today. Curious if anyone knows if there was a water main break or if they're still doing work on the sewer lines in town or what's happening on the hill. So I took the video. If anybody knows, drop it in the comments below or reply to the post. Just curious if the ice and snow and the deep freeze we're in caused a water main break or if something else happened. Judging from the amount of water on the roadway, I would keep this in mind if you're traveling after dark. With the temperatures we've had recently, it's likely that that will turn to solid ice. I decided to turn around and film going back up the hill as well, so you could see the amount of muddy water that was there as we climbed the hill. I didn't hear anything about a boil alert or anything, but that is quite a bit of water, so just wanted to let everybody know and see if anyone knew what was going on. Thanks for watching.